Video Talk, Week 7, Building Positive Relationships. Welcome to Week 7 of The Force of Positive Reasoning, Dominating Outlook Shift for Self-Awareness course. In the current week's talk, we will investigate the significant effect of positive reasoning on our connections. We will jump into systems for sustaining positive connections, cultivating a strong organization, and rehearsing compelling correspondence and compromise procedures. Positive reasoning altogether affects our connections. It shapes our disposition, attitude, and ways of behaving, which thus impact the nature of our associations with others. During this talk, we will dig into the manners by which positive reasoning can improve our connections and add to our general prosperity. Supporting positive connections is an imperative part of self-improvement. We will investigate techniques for developing and keeping up with solid, strong associations with others. This incorporates encouraging compassion, rehearsing undivided attention, offering appreciation and thanks, and showing graciousness and liberality. By sustaining positive connections, we make a strong organization that elevates us and adds to our self-awareness. Powerful openness is absolutely vital for building positive connections. We will talk about procedures for communicating our thoughts plainly and truly, undivided attention to figure out others, and rehearsing compassion and understanding. Compelling correspondence cultivates trust, cooperation, and shared regard, reinforcing our connections and empowering self-improvement. Struggle is a characteristic piece of any relationship. We will investigate compromise strategies that advance positive results and development. This incorporates dealing with feelings, looking for shared belief, and finding mutual benefit arrangements. By rehearsing valuable compromise, we can change difficulties into open doors for figuring out, development, and more grounded connections. Toward the finish of this talk, you will figure out the effect of positive reasoning on connections. You will learn methodologies for sustaining positive connections, encouraging a strong organization, and rehearsing compelling correspondence and compromise strategies. Keep in mind, positive connections add to our self-improvement, joy, and by and large prosperity. Thus, we should develop positive associations and tackle the force of positive reasoning to make satisfying and strong connections in our lives.